let's turn this simple text into an auto layout website. So at first, I want to see if I can actually use AI to generate a layout for my portfolio. So I just pasted in a portfolio website showcasing my work, and I copy pasted the content here. So let's just click make it. So Figma generated a layout. The only thing that really stands out to me is this one. I really like the numbers that they make it larger font and bold. So now I'm going to recreate it. So far, what I did is I took this part as an inspiration. I really liked it. They were using a font called Domain, and they were using another one called Outfit, and the first one was bold with larger font, and the second one was regular with smaller font. And now if I take a look at the content that I have, I do want to have a button in this example view channel. So what I did was I made a component in Figma called text, and I exactly used the same typography, domain and outfit for the secondary text. However, I didn't like the ratio that they were using. I went ahead and I used the plugin called Typescale, and I added 96 as the largest font. And for the scaling, I just go ahead and use golden ratio. And for the line height, I went with 1 because I don't want extra height to be created. And for scale down, I want to go with 3, scale up 0. So now I know that 96 is the title 1, 59 pixel is the secondary title, and 37 is the link. So I went ahead and created 96 to be my first, and then if I click on the second one, 59 pixels, and then finally 37 pixels. Also, if I take a look at this, I added a background color, in this example YouTube's background color, and I made the text YouTube text color. So what I would do is push these updates to the main component by clicking this one. So now the updates are pushed to the main component. So I have now this text appearing here. So that is the component that I use, and now I can use the other brand color in this example like Upwork, Udemy, and LinkedIn to again dynamically change as we go. One thing is missing is the logo, so I will go ahead and add my logo at the top of the page. So now I added my logo, and my logo is again a green color, but because the YouTube brand color is red, I went ahead and made the background black and made my logo red color. So now I added the next and previous button, and what I noticed is I want the next and previous button to take all the available space at the bottom, and I grouped these texts in the middle. This way I can use auto to push all the available space of the logo to the top and the next and previous at the bottom. Now in order for me to make sure that this always takes the available space and it's not wrapped, I need to reset all the spacing to 0 and give each of them individual spacing. For the final changes, I made the next button white, the previous button a darker color, and I expanded the main content to take all the available space. Also reduced the padding and made the logo not rounded, so it's aligned with the rest of the look and feel of the website. So I went ahead and created the YouTube, Upwork, Udemy, LinkedIn, and my brand color. So all of these are now component. So what I would do is just replace the text with the corresponding brand color. I used the actual brand color and I reduced the lightness to make the transition even smoother. So next and previous buttons when it comes to YouTube is a darker version of YouTube color. Also next and previous button when it comes to Upwork is again the darker version of Upwork brand colors.